back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to require a lot of data entry. They are looking for someone to manually enter orders into their system. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to all the pages that I share if you're interested in reading the reviews on the company or putting that application in is linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead comes from the company Quadient. They have 848 reviews on Glassdoor. Out of those reviews from past and current employees, they have a 4.0 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a remote work from home order entry administrator. Now it says the order entry administrator is the primary link for their sales, ordering, and shipping organization. You'll be responsible for the data entry of manual orders and also verifying and modifying any online orders. The ideal candidate will have customer service experience. They're specifically looking for somebody to work the hours of 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure if you're outside of the time zone, you convert your hours to that time zone to see if that will work for you. They do occasionally require overtime that can include nights and weekends. But the basis of the job is accurate and detailed processing, review, and adjustment of any online or manual orders in their system, which they use Oracle for. You'll process orders within the department's SLAs. You'll strive for a high level of accuracy when doing your order processing. You'll comply with any overtime requirements as needed. Now, you may have to communicate with customers. You'll do that positively and respectfully. So there are times when you'll either talk to the customers through email, mail, or telephone. They do need you to know how to use Microsoft Office, Excel, and all of those things. If this is something that interests you, they do prefer some college education, but it is not required. Only a high school diploma or GED is required. Someone who can maintain a professional level of mannerism with all of their customer interactions, someone who is a quick learner, and someone who can have those great communication skills and again work with those Microsoft Office skills. Now, pay for this position ranges anywhere from $14.62 an hour all the way up to $21.92 an hour. And they do offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.